I'm Mererid Bowley, Director of Public Health for Powys Teaching Health Board. During the lambing season in Powys, we're asking and advising pregnant women to take some extra steps to look after their health by avoiding helping with the lambing season in order to try and protect themselves and the health of their unborn child from the risk of infection. Although the risk to pregnancy is small, the consequences can be serious, and it's important that pregnant women and their families are aware of these risks and take the necessary action to protect themselves.